Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things using many different languages, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have done. So today in this video, we will be working with Java because in the previous videos as well, we have done many of the projects using Java. So today in this video, we are building an amazing project using Java, and today I will be telling you that how we can just build a project moving forward. I will be telling you that what project we are building here today in this video using Java. So I hope you'll be understanding this video. So if you understand, enjoy this video, remember to hit a like. So basically we are building an animated countdown system here using Java, and I will be telling you that how we will be building this animated countdown system. So if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these projects. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how to build this animated countdown project here using Java from start. So just like I've telling you that today we are just building an amazing project, and I've just telling you we are just building an amazing animated countdown project here using Java. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are building this project. So for building this amazing project, I will be opening my VS Code which I have already opened. Now I will be making a new window here. After making new window, I will be closing my previous window and I will be opening my folder here through my desktop where I have created. You can see here it is animated countdown in Java. This is the folder which I have created here. So now I will be pressing select folder to open this. After opening this folder, I will be moving to my main file here, and I will be removing all the codes which we are getting here, so we can just work with our animated countdown project which we are building here. Then I will be moving here as well, and from here also you have to remove all these things because we will be not needing. Then you have to directly save it, and I'll be pressing Ctrl B to open this file in my browser, which is Google Chrome. So this was our folder and this was our main file. So press open here by pressing right click. Now I will be doing it side by side. You can see we are getting all the codes at the left, and at the right we are getting the interface side. After getting this thing, you have to now just move in the body tag, and here you have to now create a div class of container. And after creating a div class of container, you have to create a div class nums, means number, which is the short form of that. Then create a span here. So I will be now creating a span as well, and after creating the span here, you have to also give class. So you can give any of the class. I will be giving it the class as in, like at the top we have given nums. Then you have to write here 3. Then again you have to write span, then write here 2. Then copy this span tag here by pressing Ctrl C and paste it. And then you have to now just write here 1 and then write here 0. Then you have to just write here h4, and then I will be writing here get ready, because this is the animated countdown system. So you will be getting here 3, 2, 1 and then 0, and then you will be getting the command of get ready. With this you will be also getting a button here. So I will be writing in the button like div class final, which is the class of my button, and here I will be writing go. And you have to now just set the button ID, and I will be setting the button ID to replay here as well, replay. Now you have to just move down right here, script source script.js, like this. Save it here, and then you can see we have done this. So I will be now reloading. You can see we are getting all these things. Now we have to style and give it the animated effect. So when we reload, so we are getting this animated countdown system ready. So I will be moving to my style file to give some effects here of animation. So I will be now writing here a tag which should be like box sizing. So I will be now writing here the box sizing of border box. Then you have to set here the body, which should be having the font family of Roboto. Here I've just pasted the font family URL. You can also use this URL or any other as well. So I will be writing here sans serif, then height of 100 VH. I will be writing overflow hidden. Then when you've written this, you have to now just directly move down, create here margin 0. Then you have to write h4 and write here font size 20 pixel and write here margin 5 pixel. Then write here text transform, which should be uppercase, and then you have to write here counter. So I will be now writing here counter like this, and write here position fixed. Then you have to write top, which should be 50%, and write here left 50%. Then you have to now write here transform and write translate. Then you have to now just write here minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Then you have to move down, right here text align center. Then when you've written this, you have to just directly move down after this tag, and after moving down you have to now just create a counter kits tag here. So I will be now creating here, and here I will be now writing hide. Then you have to create a transform translate. In this translate I will be writing minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Then create a scale of 0 in the bracket. Then create animation height 0.2s ease out. Then you have to create here @keyframes height. Then I will be now writing here 0% like this, and write here transform, which should be having translate, and in translate I will be writing -50%, comma -50%, and write here scale of 1. So I will be creating scale 1. Then you have to create 100% again, create here transform, translate, and again -50% two times. So I will be writing here, and then you have to create here scale 0. Now when you create this, you have to create a final tag here, which should be having the position of fixed and top 50%, and then I will be writing here left 50%. Then when you've written this, you have to create here transform, translate, and here I will be writing -50%, comma -50% like this. Then you have to create here scale 0, and write here text align, which should be center. Write here final show, then write here transform, then write translate, and then you have to now just write here -50%, comma -50%, and write here scale of 1. So I will be writing this. Then write here animation show 0.2 as ease out like this, and then you have to create another tag here, which should be like @keyframes. So I will be writing here, then write here 0% like this, and again you have to create a transform tag, then create a translate, which should be -50%, comma -50%, then write here scale of 0. So create here scale 0. Then you have to now write here 33%, and this time again transform, translate, write here -50%, and here also -50%, then scale of 1.4. this time I will be writing, and write here 100%, and then write transform and translate. Then you have to write -50%. With this again I will be writing -50%. Then we will be changing the scale here 1. So here when you've written this, you have to write here nums, and then you have to set its color 3498 dB, which should be the color here. And after setting this color here, you have to now just set its font size should be 50 pixel, and I will be writing here position should be relative, and I will be writing here overflow hidden. Now you have to just write here width, which should be 250 pixel, and height of like 50 pixel. Then you have to write here dot nums span tag, write here position, which should be like absolute. So here I will be writing top 50%. So I will be writing here top 50%, left 50% as well. Then you have to directly save and reload. So you can see we are getting, but still it is not styled. You can see it is not in the center, and background is also not looking good here. So now for taking it in the center, you have to now just do one thing. You have to move down, create another transform tag, and create translate here, and write here -50%, comma -50%, and then you have to write here rotate, and write 120 here, and write here transform origin, which should be bottom, and write here center. Then you have to create here nums span tag, then write here dot in with this, which is the class, and then write here transform, translate -50%, comma -50%, then write here rotate again, and write here now this time 0°. Then you have to write here animation should be go in, and then write 0.5 as ease in out. So you can see here it is. Then write here nums dot span, or you can say just span like this. With this I will be creating out tag, then animation go out, and here I will be writing 0.5 as ease in out. Then you have to move down, right here @keyframes, go in like this, and write here 0%, and then you have to write here transform, translate, and then I will be writing -50%, comma -50% like this. Right here rotate, and then I will be writing 120°, and then you have to now just write 30% here, and write here transform, which should be translate, and then I will be writing -50%, comma -50%. Then right here rotate, which should be like -20°. So I will be now creating this. Then after writing this, you have to create 60%. Right here transform, translate, -50%, comma -50% again. Right here rotate this time, which should be 10° now. Then right here 100%, and right here transform, translate, and -50% here again -50%. Then rotate will be different, like at the top it is. So I will be writing here 0°. Now when you have created this thing, just you have to move after this to tag. Right here keyframes this time now, and right here go out tag, and write 0% here, and right here transform, translate, Right, minus 50%, minus 50%. This time again I will be writing rotate 0 degree, and then right here 60% here. So I will be now writing 60%, and right here transform, and then write translate. With this I will be writing minus 50%, comma minus 50%, and then right here rotate again, and in rotate I will be now writing here 20 degree, then right here 100%, and right here transform, translate, and then right here minus 50%, comma minus 50%, rotate, and rotate should be like minus 120 degree, not only 120 degree. Then right here replay tag which was created by us. Then I will be writing here the background color 3498 dB. So I will be writing 3498 dB like this. Then you have to create text transform, and text transform should be uppercase. Then right here color of text white, and with this I will be creating a font family inherit. Then right here border none, and here I will be creating border radius 5 pixel, and right here font size. Font size should be 1 rem. Then you have to now write here padding. So I will be now just moving in this tab and create padding which should be like 0.5 rem, and right here cursor which should be pointer. Now you can see we have create these all stuff. After creating, just save it and now reload. So you can see now if I just show you by full screening it, we are just getting our animated countdown project ready. You can see if I reload, so you can see we are just getting 3 2 1, and then we are getting go, but still we are just not getting it too much good. So for making it good looking, here you have to now just do like one thing. Here I will be now just moving to this script file, and you can see we have just linked this file here. If I just show you, so here you can see this file has been linked already, so we will be not needing this stuff. So I will be now moving in this, and I will be now creating this, save it, and then reload. So you can see now we are getting the animation effect here like this, and then we are getting in the end 0. So like this you can just do one thing, and then if I just show you here, you can see all the things is perfectly good looking, and then we are getting the go out here, and then at the top we have just now written the keyframes of go in. If I just show you, so yes it is. And if I move the index, you can see this is the id which we are just using here, replay id here, and then this is the go out which we have just done, and then this is the go in which we were doing, and that we have done this as well. Here you can see this. Then this is the 0 degree, 10 degree, and minus 20 degrees, really important to write, so remember to write that. And then we are just getting all the things perfectly good looking. If I show you, so like this we are getting. So I hope you understand how we have just create this project here. So if you have understand this, and if you have enjoyed this video of animated countdown system which we have just built, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel and want to see more videos like that, you can suggest me in the comments, and you can also just tell me what projects I should build using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meet you in next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, good bye.